Welcome back, Future Medicos. In the last two videos, I have highlighted some inconsistencies in the government quota application and management quota application in Tamil Nadu counseling. Fortunately, both the issues has been addressed very quickly by Tamil Nadu Selection Committee, and hats off to them. It's a very quick response. I'm not saying I played an instrumental role in resolving the issue. I don't know whether my videos has even been seen by the selection committee. I have no idea. But the inputs from various students, some support from the media, some support from good officials. With all these, we got a quick response. And of course, whatever pressure we put, unless the selection committee is willing to address the issues, we cannot do anything. So in a way, right, so we should appreciate the quick response from selection committee. I hope they continue to do that. So to continue on the inconsistencies in the application, I want to talk about the third major issue I am seeing in the application, which is related to OCIs or Overseas Citizens of India. So let's look at the clauses related to OCI or PIO in the government quota prospectus and management quota prospectus. So as you can see, the government quota prospectus page 20 is very clear. It clearly says that OCI or PIO are eligible for admission in MBBS or BDS degree courses subjected to the production of proof of such registration. So basically you need to produce the OCI card or PIO card, whatever is applicable. OCI or PIO candidates will not be eligible for any kind of reservation. So they have to compete as an open category student. This is also very clear. OCI will be entitled to the rights and privileges which had been conferred on them earlier to the notification dated 4th March 2021. So this issue related to OCI started from 4th March 2021 when the central government or the union government has released a notification that said the OCIs will not be eligible anymore for the seats that are reserved for Indians. So basically, they have decided that OCIs can compete only under the NRI category. However, subsequently, the Honorable Supreme Court has given a judgment which is dated 3rd February 2023 as shown here. So in this 3rd February verdict, the judge has very clearly said that this notification cannot be applied retrospectively. You cannot bring it today and then apply to candidates who are already preparing for the exam or already moved to India and then working to get into medical or whatever courses. So they said this notification can be applied only prospectively. Prospectively means what? It can become effective only starting from 4th March 2021. And then 4th March 2021 முன்னாடி இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு அது அப்ளை பண்ணக்கூடாது. அதுக்கு பிறகு இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு அப்ளை பண்ணலாம். Those who are getting their OCI card after 4th March 2021, they have to follow the notification. They cannot apply for government seats or management seats. They are eligible only for NRI seats. But however, those who got OCI card before March 2021, they should get whatever the privileges that has been given to them prior to the notification. So basically, the reference points become 2020 prospectus. 2020 prospectus la என்னென்ன benefits were given to OCI, the same has to continue for candidates who have obtained OCI card before March 2021. That cannot be affected. So basically, if you look at the government quota prospectus, it's very clear. Here they are saying the students are eligible for admission to MBBS BDS degree course and they can apply under open category. So basically, we can assume that they are eligible for government colleges in state quota. They are also eligible for government quota in private colleges. But I believe the OCI should fulfill the 7-year domicile requirement, which is not very clearly stated here. But my interpretation and my experience from last year, the OCIs will become eligible under this clause, provided they have lived in Tamil Nadu, they have studied in Tamil Nadu from 6th standard to 12th standard. 6வது இருந்து 12வது வரைக்கும் ஒரு OCI தமிழ்நாட்டில் படிச்சிருந்தா அவங்களுக்கு இந்த கிளாஸ் அப்ளை ஆகும். அவங்க ஓப்பன் கேட்டகரியில ஸ்டேட் கோட்டாவுக்கு அப்ளை பண்ணலாம். This is my understanding. Even though it is not very clearly stated here, that is my understanding. But of course, as an OCI, you try to apply and then see how they are reviewing your application. So this is more or less clear, government quota prospectus. The problem comes in management quota prospectus. Why they are much more clear in government quota prospectus? I don't know why they have messed up in management quota prospectus. Here you can see that NRI and PIOs or OCIs are eligible for admission in medical or dental colleges. PIO or OCI will be considered only for the NRI seats. Will be considered only for the NRI seats. That too they are saying as per Gazette of India dated 4th March 2021. Now they are not referring to the Supreme Court judgment. I don't know why government quota prospectus refers to the Supreme Court judgment, but when it comes to management quota prospectus, it's not referring to the Honorable Supreme Court judgment. I don't know. I can't understand the logic behind it. So basically here also the same Supreme Court judgment will apply. Anyone who obtained the OCI card before March 2021, they can get any benefits that were available before 2021. 2020 prospectus, whatever is stated, should be applicable for these students. Anyone who got after 4th March 2021, of course, they will be eligible only for the NRI seats. So that clarity, that dividing line is not there in the management quota prospectus. Now you may ask, okay, Manik, maybe in 2020, maybe OCIs were not allowed in management quota. That's why probably they have not shown in the management quota application. Is it so? Is it, look at this, right? OCI will be entitled to the rights and privileges which had been conferred on them earlier to the notification dated 4th March 2021. So did you check 2020 prospectus, what it says? So yes, I checked 2020 prospectus. So this is the management quota prospectus for the academic year 2020-21, and this is from page 7. So what they have stated here, NRIs and PIOs are also eligible for admission in medical or dental colleges, subject to the rules and regulations framed by the Government of Tamil Nadu or Government of India. Nowhere it states that PIO or OCIs are eligible only for NRI seats. It is not stated here. So now they cannot enforce this new clause. They should follow the old clause, which was 2020 management quota prospectus. So in fact, they have to be much more clear from now on. They have to draw a line. They have to ask a question. Did you get OCI card before March 2021? Or did you get OCI card after March 2021? Depending on that, they should give two clauses. This clause, yeah, you are eligible for this. This clause, you are eligible only for NRI seats. So that classification, that dividing line should be there in the prospectus, at least in the coming years. I hope they do that. Now, to also provide some support for my discussion, I also looked at a recent High Court case that happened in Karnataka. I will show you that. Okay, this is a very recent case. It's dated, the article is dated April 2024. So you can see the title, OCI students are eligible for admission to medical, dental and engineering courses on par with Indian citizens. On par with Indian citizens. Who tells this? The Karnataka government tells the High Court. So Karnataka government says, oh, yes, sir, now all the OCIs will be eligible for whatever the seats Indians are eligible for, right? So basically Karnataka government said, we are going to follow the Supreme Court judgment. So you can see here, the state government has told the High Court of Karnataka that all OCI card holding students are eligible to participate in the counseling for admission to the UG medical, dental and engineering courses for the academic year 2024-25 under both the government and private quota seat. Government seats as well as management quota seats, they say the OCIs are eligible. So once again here, the article also refers to the Supreme Court judgment, which I have just highlighted. It has been stated in the petition that Supreme Court in its 2023 judgment had said that March 4, 2021 notification stating that all OCI students would be eligible for admission only under NRI category operates prospectively. The word is important. Operates prospectively. It cannot be applied retrospectively. Prospectively means what? Only after March 2021. Anyone who gets OCI card after March 2021, they will come under the March 2021 notification. The apex court had made it clear that the March 2021 notification is not enforceable against OCI card holders who were born before March 2021. And the new rule restricting OCI card holders admission only under NRI quota would be applicable to those who were born and registered as OCIs on or after March 2021. So if you have registered after March 2021, then of course you have to go under NRI quota. Following these contentions, the government has stated before the bench that it has no objection to the OCI card holders being considered for admission to the UG professional courses for both government and private seats on par with Indian citizens. So basically, Karnataka also tried to go with only NRI again, but that's said it cannot be done. So basically, Karnataka government agreed, and then they said no issues, sir. We will treat OCIs as per Supreme Court judgment. Now, the same thing applies to Tamil Nadu government. The Tamil Nadu government cannot go against what Supreme Court has said. So they have to follow what is the guidelines or in fact, what is the judgment from the Supreme Court. It's not the guideline. It is a verdict or judgment. We must follow that. So I hope the selection committee will look into it and correct their prospectus. And one issue is there may be very minimal OCI candidates. I don't think there will be a lot of them. So I strongly suggest the OCI students or parents to contact the selection committee or go and meet them personally and raise your voice. Unless you tell what is the difficulty, what is affecting you, they may not even know that there is a problem. So I strongly suggest you all to give a call or maybe go and meet. If you are in Chennai, go to the selection committee office and then raise your concerns, raise your grievances. If you raise your grievances, probably it will be addressed. Thank you. Bye-bye.